Okay, hi vlog. We just reached the grotto. And vlog.
Hi guys.
And we are gonna roll the cinematics. Hi vlog, welcome back. Today is day 5. We're in Portland, Oregon. What is happening? And we are driving. My mother is the driver for today.
Hello.
Hello mother, say hi.
Hi. And the driver.
We just reached the Mount Noma Falls and it's traffic, and basically there is lots of people trying to find parking. People are honking everywhere, and whoa, that's beautiful. Okay, I'll show you the falls really quick. This is the falls.
Oh my god.
What? Blueberry! Next up, the grotto. Grotto. Hi vlog, we just reached the grotto and we are in the grotto of our sorrowful mother, and we're here in the middle. As you can see, the candles and the statues, and we're going to show you around.
We almost left somebody.
We reached the upper floor of the grotto, and you can see Cesar in the back. And we're going to see the statues of the Santa Niños and all like the Mama Marys and stuff. As you can see in the background, you can see Javen and my mom. And I will talk to you guys later when we're almost done at the grotto. See you guys later, bye. Hey vlog, we just arrived at the hotel and we're inside now. And this is our view. Ate Chelsea said it's ugly.
Hi guys. Aim it hard.
It's recording. Okay, we're in Pioneer Square and we're just roaming around. Okay, bye.
Nobody likes
I'm a Blueberry. We're walking around. We got stuff from Target and we went to Voodoo Donuts.
The cabin will swing.
Whoa!
Hi! We're at the aerial tramway? And that's the tramway that's coming down.
Coming up.
Coming up.
Yeah, but it's running, Josh.
water.
We're here at the Woodburn outlets. We just finished shopping and we are gonna go to Panera Bread. I also stole Kuya Iron's vlog and okay, and now we're gonna go eat because we're very hungry, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel to get our stuff and then go back home.
Lagay ko ganun dyan siya. Wine. Vlogging.
Yeah.
Vlogging.
This way, sister.
Now stay woke.
Dun, 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 dun.
First creeping.
So we're gonna give a tutorial on how to get wine.
delicious red shot.
Red wine.
Oh my god, let's take some shots. I don't fuck with this box wine.
What's up? So we're here at Argosy Cruise. Here in Seattle, so we're doing a harbor tour. This is what it looks like. That's the first Lady Mary Argosy. And the second one is the Spirit of Seattle. It's freezing cold. Alright, so we're going aboard. Thank you. That's about it. The Argosy Cruise experience. So we're about to leave. They're still there. They're so slow. Anyway, it's cool. I like it.